When things break down in your home, do you know how to fix them or who to call? Homeowners across the country run into home repair emergencies every day without a home repair plan in place. When things break down naturally over time, most homeowners don't know what's covered by their insurance or what they're responsible for. For example, homeowners are typically responsible for pipes that move fresh water in and sewage out, heating and cooling systems, including gas lines and water heaters, wires carrying electricity to inside and outside of the home, internal plumbing, fixtures, and even appliances. Here is how it works. Choose from HomeServe's plumbing, electrical, gas, appliance, and heating and cooling repair plan options. When a breakdown happens, call our 24/7 repair hotline 365 days a year, and we'll send over a local, licensed, insured technician as soon as possible. We'll take care of the covered repairs and pay the bill up to the benefit amount. We have more than 4 million customers in North America, and that number grows each and every day. To learn more and get a plan, visit us online